Good day everyone, my name is Vincent S. Margarito from BSBA 3A. Today, I will answer this scenario. Sample: you are the manager of a mid-sized company that has recently faced a security breach affecting customer data. So, they have two options. Option A and option B. Then, I choose the option A. Disclose the breach immediately to customer, which may lead to potential loss of trust, customers, complaints, and negative media coverage, but allows for transparency and accountability. And there's a follow-up question. Question number 1: as a business leader, which option would you choose and why? So I choose the option A. So, sabi dito, disclose the breach immediately to customers, which may lead to potential loss of trust, customer complaints, and negative media coverage, but allows for transparency and accountability. So, ang sagot ko po ay, bilang isang leader ng negosyo, mas pinili ko ang option A. Dahil ang option na ito ay nagpapakita ito ng dedikasyon sa transparency at responsibilidad, kahit na ito pwedeng magdulot ng mga negative na komento or reaksyon. Then, question number 2: how would this choice reflect on the company's commitment to integrity and good governance? So, ipinapakita ng isang kumpanya na pinapahalagan nito ang kaligtasan at kapakanan ng mga customer na sumasalamin sa magandang pamamahala. And lastly, what step would you take to build or restore customer trust following this decision? So, magbibigay ako ng 3 step, like magbigay ng gabay at tamang pagtrato, makitungo ng maayos sa mga customer, panatiling updated ang mga customer tungkol sa progreso. So, sa mga step na ito ay maibabalik ang tiwala ng mga customer at maipapakita ko ang aking kahusayan bilang isang leader ng isang negosyo.